Alright, time for another unboxing video here, and after a few weeks off, we've gotten a couple of videos in a short amount of time here, so things are starting to pick up a little bit. Today I've got two new recent releases. One is the Austrian 767-300 from JC Wings, and then the other one is NG's Alaska 737-900 with the One World titles on it, which I'm glad they put that out pretty quickly after Alaska joined One World, which I'm impressed they did that. Both of these I got from my buddy Ali at Midwest Model Store, and I'll link in the description below. But let's pop these open and take a look. All right, we'll start with the Austrian 767 here, and it's funny, first time I saw this box, I was like, oh wow, you get two planes in this. No, you don't. There are two different registrations on it that you could possibly get. But let's open up and see which one we got. Another box that looks great. Red, really, it's quite vibrant actually. That is a nice one there. 767 is actually one of my favorite planes. And something about the Austrian 767 that I really happen to like. Good weight to it. Paint job looks really good. And antennas poking me, that's a good sign. And I'm guessing, I don't know what that says. Service, but in German, maybe. So we got OELAX. The other option we could have gotten was LAW. So we got LAX. Kind of like that actually. But she looks really good. Very happy with that. It looks good. Yeah. I'm glad I picked one of these up finally. And I'm glad it was JC who had made it. But yeah. Very nice. I'm very, very happy with this. Now we have the Alaska 737 with the One World titles on it. I'm glad, like I said, they finally put this out and did it really quickly. So let's pop up and take a look. And I think we all know that NG makes a very good 737, probably the best one out there. So, let's see, and yeah, that's just beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, no complaints at all. The detail is just fantastic. The Alaska title underneath, remember One World. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better. And I'm glad I got able to pick this one up before they stopped selling them, because somebody, and I'm not going to say who, but I think we all know, put a stop to NG producing Alaska planes. Well, which is a little industry secret, it seems like. But yeah, I'm definitely glad I got my hand on this one before they discontinued them. But yeah, this is a great buy. I'm glad I got it too. So these two, I mean, I have no complaints at all. These are both fantastic models. The Alaska took a little extra time to come in, just in terms of shipping, but wasn't Ali's fault or anything. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out his site. As long as there's going to be a coupon code down there you can use on it. Also, link to all his socials. Pretty active on there, posting new stuff when he gets it. Definitely check him out. Good guy to work with. Great communication. I've had zero complaints with him. Love working with him. But JC at NG knocked out of the park again. Yeah, can't wait to get more of them.